What's up, you guys? Here goes episode 2. I'm here in Exuma Islands in the Bahamas. It's my first time here. I'm super excited. I just booked a little tour here, so you guys can see on this boat. It's like something like similar that I had in what was it? Isla Mujeres? Yep, something similar to that. Like I said, episode 2 is gonna commence now. I'm gonna take you guys with me as I tour the Exuma Islands. Guys, welcome back to episode 2. Here we are in the Bahamas, the Exuma Islands. As you can see, this is a beautiful beach with little iguanas. This big guy right here does not like me, specifically this one. Whoa, it is raining. You guys can see there's a cloud up here that is just dark. But I'm gonna take you guys around and show you guys around the little Exuma Island here. Watch this. Look at these guys here. And it's really, really hot, by the way. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna do a little take of what the island looks like for you guys, but keep tuning in here so you guys can see the entire tour. Our first stop was the Exuma Island. All right, here we got some iguanas. We're in the Exuma Island. As you can see, look at these little guys coming up. Look at them. What's up, little guy? Actually, I say big guy. All right, let's track this guy. See, wherever he goes, this goes. There it is. Track the little guy. Oh, here come more. Here come more of his buddies. They're coming deep. Oh. Is he gonna attack? Is he gonna attack? What's up, little guys? Whoa, take it easy, guy. Take it easy. Yeah, he almost took my hand off. All right, let's do it. Let's do it this side. Let's track these guys this way. Let's go, guys. Do your thing. Una foto? Take a picture of me. You guys, I found a secret beach. I'll show you guys the beach right now. Secret beach. Whoa. Crawl through all these rocks. Nice and pointy. Secret beach, you guys. Beautiful though. Watch this. Looks like a swimming pool. Looks like a swimming pool, right? This is a secret beach right here. Over there, straight ahead, there's a cave. This video does not do it justice. Look at this. Wow. It's dark over here, but over there, there's light. Look at it. Beautiful. Check it out, you guys. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. Found a secret beach in the Bahamas. I'm pretty sure it's not secret, but it's so beautiful. All right, you guys, we just did the Exuma Island. Pretty dope. A lot of iguanas. I'm not even gonna lie. I got attacked by one. But now we're heading over. Surprise. You gotta stay tuned to see where we're going. It's gonna be pretty dangerous and cool at the same time. Look at this. See you guys in a bit.
Guys, you can pat them above their heads and underneath their tummies. Just be mindful, you don't want to put your fingers right in front, directly in the front of their mouths, neither your toes, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the sharks. So right here, as you can see, this nice little yacht. We are going to be swimming with sharks here. Let me flip the camera over now that you guys got that view. So we're going to be swimming with sharks here. Supposedly big, great white sharks. Who knows? There's no scuba gear, no nothing, no protective gear. But we're going to dive in and do what we do. Look at this nice little yacht here. Beautiful beach. Oh damn, I think I see a shark in the water already. We're on an island. Beautiful, beautiful people. I'm gonna check in with you guys right now once we get to the sharks so you guys can see the big grays, the big white gray sharks. It's gonna be insane. I'm gonna tap one in the nose to see if it's really true that you could put sharks away when you tap them in the nose. Oh, look at all these people. Look at all these people. Look at them. Uh-oh. Oh, this guy's holding a shark like it's a baby. Look at him. Look at him hold a shark like if it's a baby. Yo, tripping. Tripping. What? You guys get a rocket to sleep right now. Yo, tripping. I don't know about all that. I'm about to get in the water myself, though. Am I crazy for that? Am I crazy? That guy's over there. That's my captain. Here we go. What's up, you guys? So I'm here, as promised, swimming with sharks. The beach is beautiful, by the way. I can't see. I'm practicing to see if a shark is gonna come towards me. If I can see it for in the future, I know. The sharks are right there. Is this thing following me around? Yes, it is. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That scared the crap out of me. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go.
Support the head a little.
Oh.
Really that simple.
Here we go. I'm holding one, boys and girls. Little snacky snack. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, bro. Chill. I got you.
Do you feel the one coming behind you?
All right, all right. You know, it felt kind of like, felt like thick. You know, like your, your ball sack. To be honest, that's how I felt. Here we go. Oh, there's one on the floor. Look.
Will you take a video too?
Oh, let me get out the way. Oh, look at the sharks. I'm gonna try to touch one. Oh, it is. Dude, that dude is. They are like hard. They are hard for sure. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. They snapping over here, baby. They snapping. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. This is crazy, guys. My first time swimming with sharks. I'm gonna go under with them. All right, I'm gonna go under.
You're going like Jacques Cousteau. Jacques Cousteau over here.
Whoa, whoa, my eyes burn with this water. Whoa, whoa, look at them. Do these guys bite? Do they bite or no? Do they bite?
Suction.
It's a suction. Oh, they have no teeth? Oh, okay.
Very much have teeth. Let me show you.
Yeah, show me. Okay.
So you can look real close. Just move the mic, okay?
Okay. No, don't put it on me. Just move the mic. You hear this guy?
You can look real
Sure.
close. Just don't touch it, okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. No wonder he said move the mic. It's a squirter.
There's like three. It's like three.
Oh, yeah, I
little
see him.
teeth.
I see the teeth. How do they squirt that? This guy's not happy about it.
Because they're a suctioner. So the suction's going the opposite way, right?
Oh, got it. Got it. All right, you guys. So we're here at the shark place, I don't know, in the Bahamas, in Exumas. You can see all around me beautiful boats. The floor is really hot. But if you see right behind me, you're gonna see people swimming with sharks. I already swam with sharks, so you guys will be able to see right now. I'll put it on for you guys. The experience, what was it like? It was cool. What did the sharks feel like? They felt a little rough. They felt heavy, felt dangerous. But is it worth it? Absolutely. You guys should try it at least one time in your life if you guys can. It's an experience, super dope. I really had a good time. Check it out. Here we are at the infamous Sandbar in the Bahamas. Wow, guys, just look at this. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is what I'm talking about. You feel me? Look at this. Wow, amazing, folks. This is beautiful. You guys don't see it, but I'm like in the middle of the ocean. Look at this, so cool. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down for a little bit so I can wander around. You guys can see. What's up, you guys? So right now we're on part of the tour that comes to the Sandbar. Look, you guys can look behind me. Super duper cool. The waters are like a swimming pool, turquoise blue. I'm going too fast, I know, but episode 2, little kid behind me. The water feels amazing, by the way, amazing. The sun's a little hard. It's perfect though because it's a little windy, so the wind's hitting. Let me lift it up so you guys can see the turquoise waters. That's our boat right behind there. It's amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is, I think, our 3rd stop, if I'm not mistaken. You guys are counting, right? But we're at the Sandbar in the middle of the Exuma Islands, aka the Bahamas. Beautiful, guys. Let me give you guys a view. Here it is. Amazing. Amazing. You got some super yachts over there, and I'm about to put this back on the boat so I can enjoy the Sandbar. We have another stop is with the piggies. Of course, I'm gonna put that on here. Hopefully this thing doesn't die. The sun really drains it, I think. But yeah, this is amazing. I recommend this tour to anybody that decides to do it. I'll give you guys the info below. It's beautiful. It's my birthday. I love it. We just arrived to Pig Beach, folks. And it looks like we got the beach to ourselves here.
All right, everyone, welcome to Pig Beach.
Can we jump in?
Yeah, hop in, hop in.
Yeah,
Go.
just be mindful, don't swim too close to the pigs.
There we go, the piggies. Oh, here they come. Look, they're coming towards us. Look at this. Look at this. They're coming towards us. Look at them. Oh, they know we're coming.
He won't hurt me.
They know we're coming. Nah, they got you. I'll jump in there and punch him in the head if he does. Hey, little guy. Or should I say big guy? What's up, big guy? Look at that. They came towards us. Look at these guys. Whoa. Look at them. Wow. Wow, they came all the way from the beach over here. They swam. That is nuts. They really jumped all the way over here. They swam all the way from the beach over here as soon as they saw us. Super cool. All right, you guys, we arrived at stop. What stop number is this? 4. Stop number 4. You guys might be able to hear them. The most infamous. Here they are. There they go. The piggies. What's up, little guys? You guys want some? Look, here they come. Wonder what they're looking at over there. Here they go. I'm gonna feed them. Ready? Oh, they're getting down. They're getting down. They're getting down. Look at these guys. Wow. Should I get off and pose with them? Go. Fight. Run. Look at this. Super cool. That's super cool, guys. Yeah. Let me turn it back around. Infamous Pig Beach. Oh, damn. We came really far over here, huh? The infamous Pig Beach over here. I'm about to hop in so you guys can see me over there, take some pictures with the pigs. Oh, running. Look at this. We got a whole farm. What's up, guys? We got a whole farm ski here. Hey, chill. No wonder they got mad. Can't take away the babies. Welcome to Pig Beach. Beautiful, beautiful. What's up, you guys? Made it to the 5th stop. Pig Beach, the original Pig Beach in the Exumas. Check this out. Right here. Here go all the piggies. What does the sign say? I pick up baby pigs. Why? They fight or what? In this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beach. Beautiful. I messed up there. I still gotta learn how to do this. Sorry guys, bear with me here. So sick, right? Woo! Yeah! Look at this. You guys ready for this sign? The original swimming pigs. The original swimming pigs, guys. Here comes a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Oh, that's the boss right there. The one in black is the boss. She's the boss. Watch out. Back up. They're about to get crazy. Uh-oh, here they go. By the way, ando bien rosado. Oh, whoa. Look at this guy. So cool. And here we are in paradise. I have my glasses on. I just took them off. Looks amazing. Anyway, let you guys know once I get to the next stop. We made it to the pigs. Oh, took the whole thing. Look at this. Hey. Guy got the carrots. He took the whole load. All right, just got to our 6th stop, you guys. We're finally gonna have lunch. We've been at it since 8:20 a.m. that we landed here. It is, let me double check, 1:43 p.m. and we're finally gonna eat. Hopefully the food is good. I'm gonna check in with you guys at the restaurant once I'm there. This is the little beach restaurant here. There's a little boat that we have. Everything's so beautiful, nice turquoise over here. Can't wait to eat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry. That's the little boat that we got that's been taking us all around, island hopping, sandbars, etc. Super dope. This is called the Staniel K Yacht Club. We're gonna check out the menu. I'm starving, y'all. I am starving. I could eat a pig right now. All right, finally made it to a restaurant. I'm not gonna lie, we've been in the sun for how long? Since 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. It's only been 6 hours. 6 hours been in the sun. And I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. I am hungry too, but I'm about to have an ice cold. No tomato juice? Okay, no worries. Thank you though. Still take the Corona. They don't have tomato juice to make a michelada. Bummer. But yeah, this is nice. Let me show you guys. Ooh, you guys got a little sneak peek. Beautiful view.
A radio call from the police saying that they were actually waiting on their arrival. So before they planned on crash landing it, they radioed a friend nearby who was in a boat, gave him the coordinates of where they're planning on putting the plane down so that he can come over and meet them. About 6 passengers on the plane at that time. All survived to offload the plane of drugs onto the boat and continue their way to the US by boat. I'd say good for the drug boys, you know.
My cousins.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, our cousins.
It's a plane right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says snorkel it, but honestly, I'm exhausted. Can you guys see it? It's the Pablo Escobar plane right there. Well, allegedly. But it's right next to land, which is tripping me out. It's probably moved a bit. You guys heard the story. Anyway, this is the last stop. Earlier, we went to that cave. It was a beautiful cave. You could dive into it. You swim under. There's a ton of fish. And then the cave on the top is open, so you can jump in it. Somebody jumped in it. I didn't do that because it was inside the water and this doesn't go inside the water. And I'm definitely not gonna snorkel this because I'm exhausted. And I'm around these planes all the time anyway. But this is the last stop. We're done after this. Gonna hop on the plane, back to Naza, back to the resort. Check in with you guys when we're on the way out. Peace. What's up, you guys? Sadly, we are here coming to the end of this episode 2. Thank you guys for tuning in. I had a great time. I hope you guys had a great time. As you guys know, I'm learning how to do this, learning how to do these beach trips. I hope to bring you guys more and more content as I go. You guys know it's a siempre solito life. You know what I mean? Leave your comments down below. Show some love. Like, subscribe, save, share, all the 9. If you guys mess with me, then you guys are gonna do it for me. If not, it's still love. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And like I said, I want to give away a trip. I'm not joking about that. Leave a comment down below, and I promise you guys, I swear it, I'm gonna give something away. I love y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to the folks here for showing us a good time. Peace. Literally, guys, right off the boat, onto the boat, off the boat, straight to the plane. This is a small island with a small airport, so you gotta take a little small propeller plane. But this tour is amazing. It was $700 per person. Actually, it was less. It was like $650 per person. For 2 people, it was $1,300. You get a flight from Naza, Bahamas, because we're staying at the resort over there. Flies you on a plane here, get off the plane, right onto the boat, get off the boat, right onto the plane. It's amazing. It's worth every single penny, and then you just go island hopping. I highly recommend it. If you guys come to Bahamas, get one of these little tours. I'll leave the link down below, or you could leave a message in the comments and I'll tell you what airline, what tour company we use. Get it cracking. I love y'all. I'm out.